Hello friends, Cheri here from The Watering Mouth, as well as Vincent, of course, hiding. What I eat in a day to lose weight on the Nutritarian Eat to Live lifestyle. We have some awesome recipes. Let me show you how to make them. Breakfast is a gorgeous green smoothie. In fact, that's exactly what we're going to call it. And it's super simple too. We load our Vitamix container with some spinach, frozen cauliflower, rice, cucumber, some fresh basil, fresh ginger, ground flaxseed, pineapple chunks, and water. Fresh herbs like basil are a lovely addition to a smoothie if you've never had it before, but if you can't locate fresh basil, don't worry, you can just leave it out. But really try to if you can, because that extra depth of flavor is super fun and goes a long way towards changing up those taste buds to make it super motivating for you, okay? So we're gonna blend this together and see how it tastes. This is gonna use and needs a little bit more sweetness. So how about some more frozen banana chunks and a kiwi? Perfect. Lunch is a huge salad, of course. This is Coach Nancy's current favorite salad. So she reports that she's eaten this for a week in a row and she's still choosing it as her salad of choice, so it must be good. Into our chopping bowl goes some sweet kale mix, which is mostly composed of shredded broccoli stems, cabbage, kale, radicchio. Some of this was a little bit tired looking, so we just picked out any pieces that were turning mushy, but you can feel free to use any kind of base that you want for your salad. Then add some spring mix lettuce and onions. Be sure to use the root end of the onion too, which is where a bunch of the nutrients straight from the soil have settled. We give this base mixture a good chop. You can chop more or less according to the way you like your salads. We're going to scatter over a bit of dried cranberry and pumpkin seeds for that combo of sweet and crunchy that's just super delicious together. To really turn it up that final notch, we're going to use a small cubed baked Japanese sweet potato. We have it on hand. You can do this ahead of time. This adds a little sweetness and creaminess as you eat the salad, and no wonder Coach Nancy loves it. I love adding a little bit of sweet potato to salads too. I think it's just a perfect ingredient for those salads. So our dressing for the salad is just a simple homemade hummus, dolloped on, and then drizzle some curry balsamic vinegar, but you can use any flavor vinegar that you enjoy. Salads can be super simple when you have ingredients that come a little bit already prepared from the grocery store and some that you've already prepped in the fridge. This is what we do with this rolling prep. Just kind of do one little thing every day and you'll always have salads available for you. Hummus is a staple to have on hand too for dressings and to top soups and veggies with, to add a bit of creaminess and bean protein along with a little bit of fat from the tahini too. So we've included the recipe for this and all the other recipes in this video in the cheat sheet. Make sure you go to the cheat sheets at thewateringmouth.com/cheat sheets. Just sign up and you can get any PDF recipe that we've given in the past as well. Dinner is a super simple water sauteed veggie medley served in lettuce wraps, so giving it a little bit of fun twist there with a little bit of an Asian inspired dressing. So Coach Nancy shows chopping the veggies with the chopper that she uses. Consider using a device like this to save a lot of time and wrist power, but also get some new fresh textures to the veggies that you're eating. You can just dry or water saute the vegetables as needed until they're to your liking. But with a super simple meal like this, we know it's really all about the sauce, isn't it? So let's throw that sauce together while the veggies finish cooking. We load up the blender container with some plain almond milk, almonds, dates, make sure you pit them before you put them in the blender, and some garlic. I personally like to smash the garlic cloves like Coach Nancy's showing a little bit to get the skins to come off easier. And then we stop for just a second to go add the spinach to the veggies as the veggies are just about finished cooking. We'll put the lid on and the heat off and make sure the spinach wilts and the veggies don't overcook. If you're using kale or something instead, you could just saute this for a couple minutes and the kale would get really nice and soft. So now into the sauce goes some sesame seeds and just a little bit red pepper flakes. The mixture is slow going in the blender because it needs a little bit more water, but oops, now we got a little bit too much water. See, it's overflowing a little bit, but no worries. Did you know that this cover on the Vitamix pops off for easy cleaning? They must have some idea that we're going to be making messes in the kitchen. All right, so next time we're for sure going to use the bigger blender for this particular recipe. It's time to put these wraps together and eat. So drain off as much liquid as possible as you spoon small amounts of veggies into your lettuce holder, cup, boats, things. Dollop on some sauce and dinner is served. Be sure to enjoy a cup of berries with one of your meals and all your G-bombs are in your belly for the day. All right, well, Vincent approves. She said that that is a set of meals that she would really like to try someday. This is also really, really delicious. I hope you love these meals. Let us know down below what you think in the comments below. Which meal looks the best to you, or which one have you tried already that you totally love? And really fun announcement, at the time of publish of this video, we are doing a quick semi-annual flash sale of our 21-day challenges from the past that we've done before, including, I believe it's one, maybe two challenges, 21-day challenges that we've never published to the public before, okay? So we're doing a sale on these. You want to get these while you get the chance. Our 21-day challenges are recipes, grocery plans, grocery list, meal plans, just like the set of meals that you've seen in this video today. We're going to give you 21 days of that, including grocery lists and everything too. So you don't have to think of a thing. We're going to tell you everything to do, when to prep each item and all of that. That's what our 21-day challenges are, to keep you on track with Eat to Live food, Nutritarian lifestyle. We want to get you at your best and keep you going. But it's so nice to have a plan, isn't it, where someone's already thought of it. So consider picking up one or more of the 21-day challenges that we've done from the past. All of our previous challenges are something like 40% off, so it's a really, really good deal. Get in on it now. And like I said, there's one or two of them in there that I guarantee is if you're not a member of the Eat to Live family, you've never seen these two before. So make sure you pick up some of those while they are on sale. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.